Hi, welcome back to Hello Annie. Today we're going to make a Thai fusion shrimp salad. This incredible full meal salad has curried grilled shrimp, Thai spice crispy chickpeas, pearl couscous and fresh veggies, tossed in a bed of greens and drizzled with a delicious coconut dressing. We're going to start out by frying the garbanzo beans. Heat a skillet at medium heat, add oil, garbanzo beans, salt, smoked paprika, ground turmeric, and chili powder. Give the garbanzos a nice swirl and fry until crispy brown for about 5 minutes or so. Once it's done, remove them from the heat and set aside for later use. Next up, we're gonna chop up some fresh veggies. We have a small red bell pepper, chop it up really fine, some fresh cilantro, a lime, a small shallot, half of a serrano chili for a little bit of a spice, for the shrimp, we're gonna season them with sea salt, pepper, ground turmeric, curry powder, chipotle chili, ground cumin. We're gonna drizzle all this with olive oil and let it marinate just for a few minutes or so. Heat a skillet at medium heat. Then add the marinated shrimp. Cook for 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Then remove the shrimp from the skillet. To make the sauce, add now the chopped shallot, garlic, and the serrano chili. Then you're gonna add the red bell pepper and saute for about 2 minutes. And you wanna squeeze in the lime juice. Next, pour in the coconut milk. Stir and deglaze the skillet. I added more salt and curry powder to mine. Lime juice. Taste and adjust to your liking. Next up, assemble the salad. I got some mixed lettuce. Add that to a bowl. Then spoon the coconut sauce dressing all over. Next, you want to top it with the prepared couscous. Now I cooked a half a cup of couscous and it yields about 1 cup of cooked couscous. Then top with the garbanzo beans, shrimp, add some chopped cilantro, squeeze some more lime juice over the shrimp, and that's it. Enjoy!